Hello family, today we're going to make a quick recipe, strawberry oatmeal bars. Come join me. Okay, I used butter, but I greased my pan. Oven is on 375. Now I've never made these before, so we're going to see, right? You got to try something before you know if you like it. What if you're missing out on something really yummy? And of course I'm changing the recipe. I always end up doing that. But I will give you the recipe, the original recipe. I'm starting with, gonna mix the yellow cake mix. I have a yellow cake mix here. And I need my spoon. Now with this cake mix, I'm going to mix in two and a half cups of, it says quick cooking oats, but I only used old-fashioned, which that's okay. It'll just give it more of a hardiness to it, I think. I'm just putting 2.5 cups in here. If I can find my half cup, I'll be great. There's my, no, that's my 3/4. Here's my 1/2. I gotta turn my air conditioner off. Gotta turn that off so you can hear me. Okay. I'll give this a mix. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of melted butter. And I'm just going to stir it until it just in clumps. So it gets in large clumps, but nothing is dry anymore. Everything gets coated. I think that's good. It looks good right now. The day after today, today's July 4th. Felt good this morning, so but, and you know what? We're not going anywhere for the 4th. We're gonna. My husband's family is doing the annual July 4th thing on Saturday. So depending on the weather, I will be going with him. But if it's going to be thunderstorming, then I won't, because I won't leave my dog home alone in a storm. And you know what? If the family doesn't understand, which I think they will, but my dog goes through so much, and I don't want to have her alone. I think part of her problem is PTSD, and I am not going to add to that. She wants to be cuddled. Okay, now we're going to take half of this and spread it out, pat it in there. I think that's about half of it. Yeah, okay. That's good. Okay, now we're going to take a smaller bowl and we're going to, it said the recipe called for raspberries, but I want strawberry jam. 1 cup of strawberry jam. It says 1 tablespoon of water, but I had some, I'm just going to add I had some strawberries in the fridge that were already ready. So I'm going to add that. That's why I'm changing it. We're going to mix that together. I don't know if it's going to ruin it or not. We'll see. Okay, now we're going to spread this over the... See how easy this is? I had to make sure I was recording. I don't want to go through that again. I have so many times I've made a video and I didn't have my microphone on, or I wasn't recording. Like, oh well. Yeah, I'm glad I added some strawberries to it because there's no way that one thing of cup of jam would have gone this far. And now we're going to add the top layer. And guess I'm going to be doing a lot of dishes today. I'm going to play dishpan Jenga. I'm pretty good at putting them in getting them all in the rack. But man, don't try to pull anything out or you're going to have Jenga. Yeah, you're going to mess it all up. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for, it says 18 to 23 minutes. So we'll see. All right, I'll be right back. I left my, it said 20, it said like up to 23 minutes. I left mine in there about 25, 26 minutes. My oven's a little slow, but yeah, it's slightly browned on top. Now we're going to let it cool completely, and then we'll be back to taste it. Here you go, strawberry oatmeal bars. Let's try one. They're good. This recipe is a keeper. Like I said, the recipe called for raspberries, but I like strawberries better. It's got that buttery flavor too. I forgot to give you a bite. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.